Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm really excited because I'm bringing back a product that I haven't talked about it in a while. In general, if you watch my videos, exfoliation is one of the key thing I always talk about. If you suffer from acne, if you suffer from if you think that your makeup is not adhering better, if you have patchiness, if you are someone who has blackheads or whiteheads, exfoliation is like a must have in your routine. Anybody who is what is it, like above 20, I would suggest definitely start doing a exfoliation process because our cells are constantly turning over, and if we have dead skin cells that we didn't remove, then that they are going to in turn start clogging the pores, and your face will start to look very dull. So I am always about exfoliating. We used to carry three different products for exfoliation. The one is the detox mask, the second one is obviously my top seller of any time, the resurfacer, and the third one is nothing but a polishing exfoliator. If you are new to the group, you haven't heard of this one because Senegal stopped this product a little while ago. This used to be really nice for people who has like even acne, because this is perfect for every skin type including sensitive. The only difference between resurfacer and this one is resurfacer is grainy, whereas polishing exfoliator is really smooth. So even if you have like puffiness or inflammation, then you will still be able to use it, or you can use it as a mask in I think I have already done a video where I have showed using the polishing exfoliator and adding a bit of detox mask and a bit of nangai oil and using it as just as a mask to pull out all the impurities. And this is my old resurfacer, whereas resurfacer started to come in tub. So I still have it because these products last you quite so long, because you are going to just use twice a week or maximum thrice a week. You never want to overwork your skin too. So let me show you the difference between both. You can see this is resurfacer, which is the black one, because it has a grainy texture since it has crushed walnut shells in it. And here is the polishing exfoliator. Both of them used to be my favorite. I used to do polishing exfoliator on Wednesdays and resurfacer on Sundays. That way I get to use both. Here it's such a smooth clay consistency. This is a new tub. This is how it comes with Senegens. We don't get to have individual packaging or extra stuff to avoid what is it, like recycling process. So this is how it will be, and you can see the consistency. It's very smooth volcanic ash. It has a volcanic ash from Vanuatu region, which is really good for your skin. The key ingredient here will also be not only the volcanic ash but also the nangai oil. So that way after you exfoliate, it's going to put back some moisture in your skin, and that way it is like really nice even to use on a oily skin, and you can use up to 3 times a day, and you can use all over your body too. If you have rough patches on your knees or elbows, you can use there too. And as I mentioned, if you are someone who doesn't like to overwork your face, if you have breakouts and all, you can just apply as a mask. And what these does is, it is like a Pac-Man's. They are going to eat the dead skin cells, but at the same time they are going to do it very gently. So if you are someone who wants a who liked the resurfacer but felt it is little bit grainy for your taste, then please do make sure to grab this. I just have last two left with me. I don't have any more. As I mentioned, I cannot order from the website too, so if it is sold out, that's all. I don't have anything extra. This tub will last you, I would say, 9 months to 1 year. It is like a one-time investment. It is like your home facial. You can do anytime you need. Whenever you have extra 20 minutes or 15 minutes, you can just apply it as a mask and leave it as it is for it to soak in. Or if you are in a rush, then always I suggest to keep the exfoliators in your shower. That way when you are taking your shower, either morning or night, it doesn't matter, you can just take 2 minutes of your time and just gently rub it, because these have antioxidant ingredients that is going to help disinfectant kind of to your face, at the same time removing the dead skin cells very gently. And it always comes with our proprietary Senaplex complex, so that way it is going to help for faster cellular turnover. And the exfoliators are saying that they will have 70% of titanium oxide, which helps for a better improvement of your skin. And if you already have resurfacer in your skincare routine, you can still add this. I was using it for almost 3 years. That's how I used to. And in this is one another product where you and your husband or any partner can use. And as I mentioned, you can even use it on your teen, because this is going to be very gentle. So if they have acne, or if they have hormonal starting to have hormonal changes and starting to have more breakouts, this will really help, because you are going to take away all the dead skin cells. And that way when you apply a makeup, it is going to adhere better, and your skin will start to look even out, instead of having dry patches. And the Senaplex complex makes the huge difference when you include skincare in your system, because as we age, our cellular turnover slows down, so we don't get newer skin cells, or even if we get, it's not plumpier anymore. So by adding Senaplex complex in every stage, it is going to help faster the cellular turnover by 23.3%. so that is a proprietary concept, kinetic enzyme from Synergets, where it doesn't have with anybody else at all. So that is the major key point that makes our skincare different from any other line. All three of the exfoliators are really good. I do whenever I can. As I mentioned, the easiest way is to keep it in the shower. That way it is like a quick thing you can do. And I have done a video where I what to say, like a I cleansed twice and used the resurfacer as an exfoliator after that, and I have used the detox mask in a row. So that is one of my favorite video I did, because when you do that kind of a step in your routine, you can feel how much it has improved in what to say, like in a period of time. For example, if you are new to exfoliating, start taking a picture now and take a picture after 8 weeks, because any skincare I would ask you to give 8 weeks of time. That's when it can start to work, and I want you to be consistent on that. So once you do that as a practice and see the results by yourself, you will be what is it, like more encouraged to do it more often. And including a gold mask, or including a detox mask, are like the easiest way to improve your skin. And these products will help to tighten the skin. If you are starting to see aging signs like sagging or wrinkles and all, adding these products are going to help you in a major way. And I think I have always talked about how we have the grapes, raisins and cornflakes. So when it comes to exfoliation, that's the easiest way to understand, because when the skin cells start to produce, it's a really plump at the underneath layer. It's still plump, but what it happens is, as they have to reach the top layer, slowly they start to lose the plumpiness. So that's when it starts to become grapes, and then becomes cornflakes by the time it reaches the top layer. So if you don't remove the cornflakes, whatever you are going to put in, it's not going to reach the deeper grapes layer. So once you start taking out the cornflakes layer, then your skin cells are going to become plumpier again. The children's, we compare it with the children's butt, because it's constantly turning over, so it's going to be more soft and plumpier, whereas as you age you persevere more, so you lose your moisture. That's when you start to see the wrinkles and signs of aging, because the collagen production reduces as we age. So make sure to grab, if you don't have an exfoliator or if you never used one before, this is a perfect time for you to grab. This is this is good for every skin type, and even including sensitive skin and acne prone skin. So there is nothing to lose here, and you will see the benefits in first few weeks itself. So have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all soon.